How to add Notcoin to Tonkeeper wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Notcoin to your Tonkeeper wallet. To add Notcoin to your Tonkeeper wallet, first of all you need to ensure you have account on Tonkeeper and you have installed Telegram application on your device. Now once you have done that, open your Telegram application on your device. And here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. From here, you need to find Notcoin. For that, tap on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen and there type in Notcoin. Notcoin bot will appear on your screen. Tap on this Notcoin bot to open it. And once you open the chat page, here at the bottom left, you will be able to see Open App button. Tap on this Open App button. Once after doing that, you will reach to Notcoin website. Here once this page loads, at the top, you will be able to see Connect Wallet button. Tap on this Connect Wallet and at the bottom a pop-up window will appear. From this list, here you will find various wallet options. From these, you need to select Tonkeeper. Tap on Tonkeeper. This will take you to your Tonkeeper wallet account. Now here you will need to confirm the connection by tapping on this Connect Wallet button at the bottom of this pop-up window. You will be prompted to enter your passcode to confirm it. After you enter the passcode, you can see you have successfully added Notcoin to your Tonkeeper wallet. Now after doing that, you will come back to the previous page of Notcoin bot. Here tap on this Open App again and then there you will be able to see you have successfully connected your Notcoin to Tonkeeper wallet. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.